So this little dude has emerged out of his thing. He's got a buddy that's on him. He's like, hey man, get off me, man. How are my wings supposed to form with you on me? And that little orange, that's to be his wing. Yep, that's to be his wing. Here's a guy crawling up. He hasn't busted out of his shell yet. But he's planning to. Here's a guy who just got his wings formed, and they formed well. Unlike this poor little guy, never get any flying done, and this poor guy, he probably never will either. Oh, here's a guy busting out. There's a guy busting out of his shell.